Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and physical connections because most dual-screen problems are simple. First, power both displays and the PC, then check that HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI cables are fully seated and not frayed. Once done, inspect the GPU outputs and each monitor input, noting any adapters or splitters. Mismatched adapters can block signal. If you have a spare cable, swap it to rule out a bad lead. This early focus saves time before diving into software fixes. Now adjust the software so both screens register and behave as you expect. Open Windows Display Settings or your GPU control panel and click Detect if a monitor is missing. Then set one display as primary, arrange the virtual positions, and choose Extend mode unless you want duplication. Match each monitor's resolution and refresh rate to its native specs to prevent black screens or flicker. Once set, apply and confirm. If one display goes blank, revert within the timeout to avoid persistent misconfiguration. Finish by updating drivers and testing hardware to ensure stability. Install the latest GPU driver and Windows updates, then reboot to apply changes. If a monitor still fails, test each screen individually on every GPU port to identify a bad port or failing monitor. Swap cables and try a different known good monitor. This isolates whether the issue is cable, monitor, or GPU. If problems persist after these steps, gather error behavior and consider reseating the GPU or contacting support, but swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.